Hello guys, Namaskar. Uh, Today I'm going to make video about Visakha. Actually, I myself have 3 planets in Visakha Nakshatra, and I'm right now in my village. As you can see, I'm in the very close to nature. So beautiful place. I've been in my village after, let me see, 4 years I think. After 4 to 5 years, I'm back to my village. I'm feeling very close to nature, and that's one of the reason I'm making this video. I have 3 planets in Visakha and feeling very close to nature also. That's why I thought let's give a very beautiful technique that I also use in my readings. Actually, what Shastra says about Visakha is the energy of bifurcation. At one point in life, my brother from the village is calling from that side. Okay. Anyways. Okay, anyways. The energy of Visakha is as such that the natives having a very prominent planet in Visakha Nakshatra, their life bifurcates at they walk such a path in their life, and there comes this point, and from that particular point their life bifurcates. One part of bifurcation leads to spirituality, and another part of bifurcation leads to addiction related to opposite sex or any sort of addiction. May it be related to poker or alcohol or drugs, may it be anything, but always the native having a prominent Visakha Nakshatra walk such a path in their life. There comes this certain point, and after that point their path bifurcates, and more than 90% of the people native with prominent Visakha tend to choose the another path of addiction, and less than 5%, or let's say less than 5 to 10% only, will be able to walk the path of spirituality. And one thing, let me promise you, I've seen this pattern so many times in my reading, that the natives with prominent Visakha Nakshatra, if they happen to choose the path of spirituality, they do their daily puja and sadhana, keep this thing in writing, prosperity, riches, recognition will literally shower down from the sky. No any other nakshatra out of 27 nakshatras has this blessing, that if they choose the path of spirituality, if they stop eating non-veg. I'm not that kind of astrologer who will suggest his client to do daily sadhana, puja and be vegetarian, but whenever I see a native with a prominent Visakha Nakshatra, I strongly recommend them to live this lifestyle of eating vegetarian food, do daily sadhana and puja, and live a life of spirituality. For example, if Amatya Karaka, Atma Karaka is me, myself, I am the self. Amatya Karaka is my Karaka for family. If for example, let's say second lord or natural second lord Venus or Amatya Karaka, if anyhow the second house energy is linked with the energy of Visakha, then this can be a prediction that in every generation of the family there is at least one native who is into the addictions. Addictions may be related to, as I said earlier, opposite sex, poker business, gambling, or any sort of addiction related to drugs, alcohol and other stuff. So this was my observation. This thing was taught to me by my Guruji, and this thing is my extension, what I've observed in my consultations. So I request Visakha Nakshatra native to live the path of spirituality, to live a lifestyle of doing daily sadhana and puja. Keep this thing in writing. Everything will fall in place, and prosperity, riches will literally shower down from the sky. Thank you. Please take care.